Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. You hear me talk? Yaadman up in a Farrin. You hear me talk? Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Big up every yard girl, yard man, stepping at the street, Clark's Jordan. Yard man up in a Farrin. Yard man up in a Farrin. Yard man up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin.
I'm in Brooklyn, guys. So I'm currently in the subway station, the Borough Hall station to be exact, and I'm about to hop on to this Flatbush train that's approaching, and I'm gonna get out at the Newkirk stop, and I'll just show you around that area right there on Nostrand, New York Avenue, you know, Foster right there, and yeah, let you see how that part of Brooklyn is. Now, I think New York City is a really great city, like one of the greatest cities in the world. I think everyone, if you have the opportunity, you should definitely go and see New York, all right? Personally, for me, it's not somewhere where I would live because of the cold, you know, and probably other little stuff. But to each his own. I think there are a lot of persons there that love it and they wouldn't live anywhere else in the world. So, you know, this is why I say everyone should have an opportunity to go and see it for themselves and to experience it and see if they love it, you know. But yeah, it's a great city, you know, and I'll just show you. It's a really short video, guys, you know, really short video, but as I said, I just thought I would show it to you. And yeah, and as usual, I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.
Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Hear me talk. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Hear me talk. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Big up every yard girl, Yaadman. Stepping on the street, clocks Jordan. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin.